So step one is attach the fan bracket to your fixture. So there are routinely 2 screws that hold it to the fixture, and because this is a fan, put 2 please, you don't want the fan coming down. These 2 screws is what will hold the fan up. Do a tug test to make sure that it's steady. And now the next step is start the wiring.
Every fixture should have a manual, an installation manual. They should be very basically the same, but there may be some details that vary based on how they want it put together. So you do need to read and see what goes in exactly what position. And we found out that we needed to basically assemble this piece first before attempting to wire, because there's a series of what needs to go at what stage before you get up to the wiring.
And the main reason for that is because you want this supported by the fixture so you can wire it and not have to hold it up at the same time, right?
And so for this, you actually had to feed these wires up through this column.
Correct.
We have to screw this in, and then there's a locking screw here that we had to put into place to, again, as another safety measure to hold that where it's supposed to go.
The next step is wiring, and you need to follow the color codes, white to white, black to black, and then there will be a blue or a red. Blue can go to red if you do not have another blue. So I cannot see down here. What do we have?
So
green to green.
We have a greenish yellow that I think came off the copper, correct?
Yeah, green to green. Copper. Green is always ground.
Okay, let me grab a net here. Oh, they've got another green to green. Is that what we're
There might be 3 or 4,
Okay, so we also need the other copper wire.
Yeah, all the greens go together. Yeah.
Okay, hang on.
Okay, and we're pulling the ends off of these.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that one's secure. Now
And the color code, you have another blue, you have a black.
I have a black to black.
So black to black.
It's very long though.
Yeah, you will need to tuck them up. And when you finish, give them a tug to make sure that they are
The nuts are in place.
right. If it comes apart, it will be a loose connection and it might be intermittent.
Okay, so that feels
Correct.
pretty secure. Okay.
Okay, what is the next color?
I have a white.
Okay, white to white. You have more than 2 whites? If you have more than 2, put them all together. If you only 2, of course, it's clear. So,
I only have 2 white.
right, that makes sense because it's wired for the fan. So you only need 1 neutral.
Okay, that one's secure.
And then what you have left?
I have a blue and I have a red.
Okay, so the blue and the red go together.
Okay.
Blue and red are considered both hot, and that is the last hot you were connecting.
Okay.
And the next fun part after you check that it is secure is to put all those cables and hide them, You can put them wherever you want. That didn't hold?
It didn't hold.
Okay. And again, blue, red, and black are hot wires, right?